Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I will compare the Sony Xm6 and Apple Airpods Max in a clear sound test. I present weight, battery, price, and listening impressions for real-world use. Sony Xm6 weigh 254 grams and offer roughly 30 hours of battery life per charge. Apple Airpods Max weigh 384 grams and provide about 20 hours of battery life per charge. Airpods Max list price is $49, while Sony Xm6 list price is $99. Listen for clarity, bass control, imaging, and noise cancellation differences between these two models. Begin the sound test by focusing on signature and active noise cancellation performance. Sony Xm6 emphasize warm bass, clear mids, and extended treble detail for modern listening. Airpods Max deliver a neutral-leaning tuning with strong mid-range presence and wide stereo staging for vocals. Sony ANC is aggressive and adaptive across frequencies to reduce airplane and city noise. Airpods Max use effective dual beamforming microphones and computational methods to reduce consistent low and mid-frequency noise. Compare imaging, decay, and transient response for instruments and vocals during testing. Now consider features, ergonomics, and everyday usability before deciding which headset fits you. Sony offers multi-point Bluetooth, LDAC support, and longer battery life of 30 hours for extended travel. Airpods Max pair seamlessly with Apple devices and include spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for media immersion. Sony Xm6 are lighter at 254 grams, improving comfort for long sessions compared to Airpods Max at 384 grams. Choose Sony for battery, codecs, and lighter weight, or choose Airpods Max for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.